Vertical systems and controls are some of the more basic controls and channel controls that allow us the ability to better view a captured signal and move the signal around on the screen. To go over some of the different vertical systems and controls that we have available with this particular scope and our scopes in general, I'm going to first turn on channel 1, which is connected to a 1 kilohertz sine wave, and then I'm just going to go through the menu over here and then go over some of the other sort of knobs associated with it. So to start out with, for channel 1, along with all the other channels, we can choose how it's being coupled, either with DC, AC, or ground. And these can all be associated independently of each other. We can also turn on or off a bandwidth limit. For this particular instrument, we're limited to 20 megahertz. We can also change the probe attenuation we have going on. And then we can also choose if we want the signal inverted or not inverted. And then we can also go ahead and select coarse or fine sort of position adjustments, which I'll go over a little bit later. And then we can select our different voltage readings we want to do with, either with watts, amps, or volts. Some of the other things are we've got a position knob over here which lets us move the signal up and down on the display. So this is a way that you can move around different other signals. Say we had channel 2 turned on and we wanted them to be separate from each other. I can move channel 2 off of channel 1 like this. I can also quickly recenter channel 2 by just pressing the knob, and it's going to quickly recenter. Another aspect are we can just change the position, well, the scale of the particular signal by rotating this knob, and we can make it larger or smaller, and then we can also choose between coarse and fine sort of measurements, which are displayed here. So right now we're in fine, so I can make smaller sort of scale options, and I have to rotate a lot more to get a scale change. Or I can go with coarse sort of options, which are more of the presets, which will let us snap in between much larger scale sort of positions. The vertical systems and controls are pretty universal for all of our different oscilloscopes that we have, but they allow you to move around the signal and view the signal as you need.